It didn't want the color I wanted, so I'm going to kind of dry brush some of this on it. Dry brush is basically pretty much what it means. And you just dip a not wet brush in your paint and you just dry brush it out. And pretty much, you know, that's what you do. It's a technique, lots of techniques. But it's always experiments. Experiments, experiments, experiments. That's all you do. Experiment, experiment, experiment. Blend it out. And that's basically it for that. And I kind of like it. It's kind of a random. Okay, the next thing I want to do is gonna, with that, trusty old pot, Xanadu Gold, and gonna put a little, did I even open it? I must have not opened it, but didn't open it. Thought I opened all these metallics, but apparently I didn't. Oh, this table's my table. I just got it in my room. I just do it, and then just draw random cracks, or what would look like cracks. Or let it look like it's cracked. Basically what you're gonna do anyway. What I was gonna do anyway. Without breaking it. I might go over it like about twice. Built it up. So it'll look like it's cracked. And I'm doing it right out of the bottle because it's easier. And then let's just do it that way. And this has a seam, kind of like the seam, so I'll just go down the seam. And since it's looking like we had to piece this together, so and pretty much what I do. That looks too straight. Granted, it might look straight, but I gotta break it up. And that's how you do it, pretty much. And then that's pretty much, and then voila. And I'll take a better picture of it. If you like this and you want to see more content like this, please free to comment down below. If you would like to have, well, please share. And thank you.